Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change your favicon from the default Webflow icon to your custom one. And this is only applicable if you're exporting code and using an external server. I'm going to be using style guide as my page because all the rest of these pages I've edited and changed the icon. So what I'm going to do is go into my, by the way, this is in Polish, this hosting service is in Polish, so everything should be self-explanatory as I click. So when you're in the file manager, you need to go to public HTML, and as you see, I've already exported everything as well as the favicon. However, you want to upload your pages, so we're just gonna, in this case, upload our style guide. Okay, and upload. Okay, we're gonna go back and you're gonna see that now our style guide is down here. If we preview the style guide now, we're gonna put in the domain name and style guide. Oh my gosh. Okay, you're gonna see that the favicon is the default icon from Webflow. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to have to change the code here, which I will show you in a second. It's okay, we're in the code now. But first of all, you want to create your favicon. I'm going to trust you've already done that. I recommend doing it 16 by 16 pixels. I'm going to leave this page link in the description. And don't worry, they're not hosting your favicon. All they're doing is converting your favicon into an ICO and giving you some code. So you're going to download your favicon, you're going to put it somewhere in your computer. I've already done that. Then you're going to copy this code, you're going to go back to your code. You can edit this code with like Notepad++ or whatever. You don't have to do it directly on the server. Then you're going to have to look for a link, and as you see, we've got a few here. But what we're looking for is the Apple Touch one and the shortcut icon one. So when you're looking for those, you have to make sure they are in your head. So as you can see, this is contained in our head, and these are the two that we're looking for. We need to delete those and paste in the code from here. Okay? Now, what you can also do is just delete that because it's useless, and all it does is tell people who expect the website that it's being done on Webflow, which isn't a bad thing, but you can delete it anyway. Okay, now that we're saving our code, we would want to upload our favicon. So I'm not going to go through that because I've already done it, but you're just uploading your image basically. Now, if we go to that page, style guide, you're gonna see that the Webflow default one changed to our one that we uploaded. So I hope this was helpful and insightful. If you have any questions, do post them down in the comments. I will try to reply and help if something goes wrong. Thank you.